everyone, this is Prachi, and today I have some amazing meditation tips for beginners. The first tip is fixing a time. Now, this tip is not specific to meditation only. It is for every new activity, every new habit that you're trying to cultivate. Fix a time and not make it like I'll do it whenever I find time. Make sure you fix a time and try to fix it right after an activity that you do every day, so that that activity can act as a reminder bell for your new habit. The second is set a space. Anywhere in your house, make sure you have a space only for your meditation, so that whenever you meditate, you go right there to meditate. The third is create an atmosphere. Whenever you sit in your meditation space to meditate, try lighting a few candles or incense. What this will do is it will help your mind to adapt and get familiarized with the space and atmosphere that you've created, so that whenever next you sit for meditation, your mind can quickly switch on its meditation mode. Fourth is wearing comfortable clothing. Wearing comfortable clothing is really essential. What this will do is it will help reduce the physical discomfort that you will get while sitting in your meditation. That can hamper your concentration. If you're wearing comfortable attire, it will help you focus on your breath much easily. The fifth is my favorite tip. It is called the check-in ritual. After every meditation session, make sure you check in with yourself. Ask yourself questions like, how did I feel today? How did my meditation help me today? What did I learn? Where was I focusing on? And compare your feelings right before and after meditation, so that whenever next time you're feeling a little lazy to meditate, you can recall how you felt right after meditation, and that will motivate you. Sixth, don't meditate on full stomach. Meditating on full stomach often induces sleep while meditation. When you relax your muscles while meditating, you will tend to feel sleepy and dizzy, and this will not help you concentrate and focus on your breath. So make sure you're not meditating on full stomach. The seventh is set realistic goals. As a beginner, everyone is tempted to start off with a 30-minute or 1-hour meditation session. Now, while that is really fascinating to do, it's not really that easy. And if you start with such unrealistic goals in the beginning, you will often feel very demotivated towards your practice. So start with a realistic goal such as a 10-minute meditation. And after a few months, you can increase it to 10 minutes more. So these were a few tips that I hope will help you start off your beautiful meditation journey. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!